Hello, my name is Krina. I am in San Jose, California. I joined the Sanskrit class recently, just perhaps few weeks ago. The reason I joined is that I absolutely love how the language sounds. So it was more of a sound attraction to the language itself. I knew just a little bit of how sacred this language is. And so I was very lucky to hear that from Mina that this class is offered to us. And I joined without hesitation. And I discovered that Archana, our teacher, is an absolutely, an enjoyment to be with. She's very enthusiastic and very loving and very spontaneous. And I absolutely love to be in her presence and in my friends' presence as well. So I look forward to continue, and I encourage everyone just to try it out.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Laura. I'm from Southern California. And I was attracted to Sanskrit 14 years ago. And when I saw the offer for our lovely teacher, I took it immediately. And it doesn't matter what you think your abilities are, etc. Her enthusiasm and wonder for this beautiful language kindles your fascination and draws out whatever abilities you have. So I am so delighted to be on this journey, and I don't know where it's heading, but I'm very excited and I'm very grateful. Thank you, teacher.
Hi everyone, this is Varun. So I'm from Indore, Madhya Pradesh in India, but I've been living in the US from past 7 years, and currently I live in Iowa. And I've always been fascinated with this language. Like, it has a deep-rooted history of India, and I was always interested in it and spirituality since my childhood. Even in my family, we've had a history of Sanskrit books. We couldn't ever read it, but the books were always there. And so the interest was always in my mind, and it was always like after every year or so, I would just think about it. I'll learn Sanskrit someday. And then recently, in past 6 months, I had this, deep desire that I should learn. I downloaded some apps, but couldn't really stick on to them. And then on the Art of Living group that we have, Meenaji posted one flyer that there's a Sanskrit level 1 that's happening, and I thought this is the time because I've been thinking about it since so long. And also there's lockdown and whatnot, so I was like, yeah, let's give it a shot. And it turned out to be such a great pleasure because it was just amazing. Like, from the science of it and the channel, how it's called, Science of Sanskrit, literally it is scientific. Like, everything has a meaning, every pronunciation, every sound has a meaning, and Archana ji has given this knowledge to us so easily with such full of enthusiasm and positivity. So I think the positivity and love makes the difference, which I have seen. Teacher makes a huge difference. The applications that I've used, they're like mechanical, like you read and you understand, but there's no vibration to it. But this was deep, and I look forward to continuing for months to come. So yeah, that's been my story. Thank you.
Hey Gurudev, my name is Sumati Rajendran, and I'm from Kansas City. And I came to know about this course through like Art of Living group. And I was like, I was right away, like I just wanted to call Meena Didi and signed up for it. And I was always like, I don't know, I had this interest for spirituality. I've been in the path for almost 13 plus years. And I always have this love for chanting. And I don't know, the energy it creates when you chant is tremendous. And I've experienced the vibrations when you chant the mantras. And that is the reason I teach chanting also for a lot of people. I teach Lalita Sahasranamam and I teach other slokas also. And I'm a regular chanter also every day. And then I was looking for this Sanskrit course for a long time. And I think like some 3-4 years back, I took a Samaskrita Bhasha course, like, no, I mean, kind of spoken Sanskrit. But I'm new to this Devanagari script. I don't know Hindi. I don't know any other languages except my mother tongue, which is Tamil and English. And but still, like, whenever I chant, I have this passion and the wellingness, like the joy for no reason. Like, you know, whenever I chant the Devi Sloka, like always, like, you know, I really look forward to learning this language. But again, it was like, you know, just like, I don't know, I didn't get an opportunity. That's what I should say. I got once and I did the spoken language course. And after that, I couldn't continue. And it was a short-term course, which I did for 3 months or something. I don't know. I don't really remember the duration of the course, but I enjoyed the session. Then later I was looking into so many groups, like, you know, Facebook groups. Wherever I find Sanskrit, I will just add that to my, my page. And I look forward to it. But again, it was a tremendous work going through the alphabets, and like, you know, something was like not okay. Like, you know, I didn't know whether I could put that much effort. But finally, all came through with Gurudev's grace. I believe the grace works, and the time also was the right time, I think, due to this COVID situation. Like, you know, we all get some extra time, and I had some time. And I would not say this all happened because of me. I really believe in the grace, actually. There is someone, like, you know, the deep down desire, or like, you know, the love for something, like, you know, everything comes together and you see the right people at the right moment. And that's how, like, I got into this course. And I didn't have any hesitation. I know that I didn't know anything, but I always, like, you know, look forward towards that new, like, you know, the class every day. I'll open the, even Archana ji was like talking about Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi, which was like something new to me. And I was just thinking like whether I can do it, but only one thought will come. I've never hesitated. And every day I enjoyed our sessions. And it's almost now like 20 days, I think 18 to 20 days. And you won't believe that I'm able to recognize all the letters. I'm able to recognize the words. I'm able to recognize a sentence. And I'm recognizing each and every sloka, like, you know, in Bhagavad Gita. And I love chanting. So that's also another reason, I think. And I really enjoy this process. And I am enjoying all the sessions. And I'm looking forward to learning more from Archana ji. And like, you know, I enjoyed my classmates, and looking forward to learn. So that's it. Thank you. And this all has happened because of the grace. I'm grateful for it.
Hi, I'm Divya Ramesh. I'm in Baltimore, USA. So right from my childhood, actually, I had this feeling of reading Sanskrit, but then years passed, I totally forgot about it. So last year was actually, I started reading Bhagavad Gita in the lockdown, and I was doing it with one of my friend, and then she actually knew Sanskrit, and then she used to help me a lot in chanting and understanding. But later on, I felt like, why don't I start learning myself Sanskrit? So that's how I think the urge inside me started. And and then I was looking for teachers, and I was looking like a lot of resources where I can do it. And then luckily I came to know through Art of Living about this Sanskrit class, and then immediately I just registered for it. And then I've been really enjoying these classes. And initially I had a doubt whether I'll be coping up with the Sanskrit, because I didn't know the Devanagari script. But Archana ji is an amazing teacher, and her deep knowledge actually amazes me. and each and every class is so uplifting. She supports you and then she takes care of you. She understands you in a very deeper level. So you're almost like, I felt like I was going back to my own childhood classes where I'm attending the classes, and then like I was just having my childhood phase. I just feel like that every class I feel that I'm just like a same small childhood Divya sitting in and then learning. And she's brought me that spark inside me, the childhood spark. And I would say that it amazes me. And then I really like her so much, and the deep knowledge. And I recommend everyone who has been thinking like you wanted to do Sanskrit, but then you were not able to do it. But I would say this is the right time. Use this opportunity. And definitely, I would say that this is the best time that you are investing for yourself, and it'll be the best decision in your life. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Neil Merchant, and I live in Southern California. I think everyone has said everything that I wanted to say. So thank you all for already saying everything that I could share. It's been an amazing experience. I have wanted to learn Sanskrit since I was very young, a very, very young child. I used to flip through the Bhagavad Gita book and read the lines in English and really wish that I could understand what the Sanskrit words actually meant. And I always felt that there was a deeper meaning to them, but never could understand what it was. And for many, many years, I've had the wish to learn, but I didn't want to just learn, from a book or just from any teacher. I had a deep desire to learn from someone who's amazing, a master of this science. And I was so lucky enough to find this course with Archana ji. The course has been absolutely amazing, moment to moment, even after a long day of work. Looking forward to being in class for an hour. I don't think I could say that when I was studying in the past, but every moment of it is so exciting. It's so wonderful. Archana ji brings so much enthusiasm and energy and love into the session that even not knowing the script at all, it just slowly starts coming, and it's such a beautiful experience to go through. I think the time has gone by so fast that I can't wait to move on to the next level and keep doing this on and on and on and on and on. And that's really because of the beauty with which Archana ji teaches this wonderful science. So thank you so much. It's been a wonderful experience.
Hello everyone, this is Archana. So I'm the Sanskrit teacher about whom they all were talking about. Well, I'm really privileged to have you all with us, and it has been really a wonderful experience to have you as my participant, such an enthusiastic and a good participants I have. And because, transmitting this knowledge, this particular piece of information from one mind to another is really a very tedious job. And within short span of time, if you all could really prove that you are able to understand Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi, I'm telling you, this is supposed to be one of the toughest granth, the toughest book in India. And you are able to imbibe this knowledge so beautifully. And some of you have already turned up as a teacher, I'm telling you. Varun is competent to take the session. Laura has already taken the session. Krina is learning knowledge so enthusiastically. Neil is understanding it so nicely and scientifically. So I'm really glad that how you people are really learning. And Divya, Sumati ji rightly pointed out that some grace is happening, because you never know, you really don't know that when I studied Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi, it took me 3.5 years to learn, because of the low resources, because of the unavailability of the teachers, because of several constraints, and because of also the reason that the grace was not so vibrant as it is vibrant now. And moreover, your commitments and your feedback really motivates me to proceed with my passion, which I carry for Sanskrit. And this particular Sanskrit is not only my passion, it is my passion, profession, and seva both. So all three together. Okay. So this is going to create wonder, I believe. And there is one saying in Sanskrit that aparitoshad na sadhu manne prayoga vijnanam. Okay, so this is the line by Kalidas, which says that unless and until the scholars are satisfied, you should never consider any piece of creation as an authentic piece of creation. So I'm really glad that you, as a scholar in your respective domain, are so much happy and satisfied and contented with my piece of teaching. That really gives me the courage that yes, I have some potential, probably with the grace of Gurudev, and we all together can take it forward. Thank you so much for being with us. Thank you so much for being with Gurudev. Thank you, Sumati ji, Krina, Neil, my dear lovely Laura, very dear Varun, very, very, very honorable Meena Didi and Divya ji. Thank you so much for being with me. Thank you. Thank you. I'm so grateful, Sumati ji. Thank you so much. Okay.